In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your seller presence, list products that stand out, handle inquiries, and ship orders with confidence. Start by heading to Alibaba.com and creating your account. Choose Join Free, then select Supplier Account so you're set up as a seller rather than a buyer. You'll be asked for an email address, a phone number, and your basic business information. Take a moment to enter accurate details, since this helps with verification and trust later on. Complete the verification steps sent to you to activate the account before moving forward. Next, apply for supplier membership. To fully sell on Alibaba, you'll typically choose a supplier membership plan and complete both business and payment verification. Verified suppliers are more visible in search results and tend to earn buyer confidence faster. Prepare your official business documents and payment details ahead of time so the verification process goes smoothly. Once your account is ready, go to your supplier dashboard to add products. Click Post Products or Add Product and upload high-quality photos, a clear product title, and a thorough description. Specify your minimum order quantity, set price tiers for different order sizes, and include shipping details. Aim for professional, precise language that answers common buyer questions, materials, dimensions, color options, lead times, and any applicable certifications. Good photos on a clean background and consistent titles help buyers compare and decide quickly. Now set competitive pricing. Alibaba buyers usually purchase in bulk, so offer wholesale pricing that rewards larger orders. Use tiered discounts, and if it makes sense for your business, be flexible with minimum order quantities to attract new buyers while keeping your margins healthy. Be ready to respond to buyer inquiries promptly. Expect messages about price negotiation, custom specifications, and shipping options. Fast, clear replies improve your seller ranking and show buyers you're reliable. Keep communication professional and summarize agreements in writing inside the platform chat. For payments, use trade assurance. It helps secure transactions, reduces fraud risk, and builds buyer confidence. Keep all orders and payments within Alibaba to protect both parties and to ensure you have platform support if issues arise. When orders come in, confirm the details with the buyer, prepare or manufacture the products, and arrange shipping through a freight forwarder, a courier service, or Alibaba Logistics. Share tracking information and keep the buyer updated through each milestone. Finally, maintain strong supplier performance. Deliver on time, protect product quality, communicate proactively, and politely ask satisfied buyers for reviews. Consistency here drives repeat business and higher visibility over time. That's the complete process to sell on Alibaba. Now you're ready to get started.